back, guys. Okay, we are back at it again. So, crap, what? What? Grab point was not set up. It for sure was. Don't play with me. Do not play with me. Whoa, 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 whoa! Why is this all empty? What the heck? One second. Hey, that's set up. Yo, what the heck? Okay, one second. The grab point's in the right spot and everything. Man, what? I'm so confused. Okay. I have to set up this entire thing again. Draggable climbing. Let's open this back up. Right on one. Right on one, left arm one. The hold point. Wait, where's the grab point? Oh, it's not applied? Man, dude, what the hell? Okay, so I'm trying out a new playlist today, and if it, you know, if it messes up my thing, then it messes up my thing. Animation arms, it's these. Inside arm. Grab arms. Okay, please, this time, add a component, apply to prefab. It should just work. I hope, man, if I didn't save stuff, I'm gonna feel so sad. Just go that way. Okay, the next thing I need to figure out for the grabbing is the joints. The mantles. I'm still so happy about that. Okay, so I need to figure out how to get this to, like, grab by, like, where he's standing, like, in front of him. So, I think that it has to do with joints. I think. Hang on. So, we're gonna go back into chat. Okay, so, with the grabbing and dragging script... Oh, I don't think I made it. Okay. I have a script created where I latch onto a draggable object, and I can push and pull it without having the player turn away from it. Okay, so, it is similar to the pickup script, but I need it to, latch onto the draggable object at some joint at the edge of the I guess it's object. I want the object to still still react with physics to the environment. Environment. Okay, that's a lot. So we'll see what it comes up with. Here's a configurable joint or a spring joint to attach draggable objects at a specific edge point. Example. Try latch on. Create joint. Okay, so we're gonna write this. Okay, so we're gonna take this. So here's my grab. Grab. Sorry, hang on, let me turn my phone down. Create joint. Toggle arm visibility. Is this the same? Did I write the same? Pulling object. Okay, so here's the joint. I'll actually write it after everything. Attached rigid body equals null. Return. So this keeps track of the attached rigid body. Weird. Okay, so let's put this stuff here. Configurable joint. Attached rigid body. For now, let's put this all here. And keep it separate so I know where it's at. Now, obviously, try latch onto object, release object. Try to latch on. Okay, so this is the grabbed section. Here's my try to grab. So I make a overlap if there's a hit. If raycast. Grabbed object is recorded here. So this is, I can erase this, rename this to grabbed object. And then delete this. And attached object equals rigid body. So I've already got the rigid body of that object. I just need to create joint on the hit. So I come down here. So here's the hit. I need to... Let's try this. Create joint on the hit point. hit dot point. Latch onto the edge where clicked. Okay, so I need to look at a 2D collider. We are using 2D colliders. Because right now it looks like, yeah, it's using 3D. Rigid body 2D. Yeah. Distant joint 2D. This changes to distant joint 2D. Distant joint 2D. Okay. Still the same. We try to latch on. Right here. Create joint. Still on hit. Ah, okay. The try latch onto up. I'm using a overlap circle all physics to get a hit array in the try latch onto object function. Mouse position. No, hit. Create joint closest point. How do you determine the closest point? Collider 2 hits. For each collider 2 hit and hits, try to get component rigid body out of rigid body. Attach rigid body. Vector 2 closest point. Hit closest point.
Don't follow me, babe. There's nothing to save. I'm really the villain. I'll lose anyway. Just part of the play. Don't
can I just do hits? Hits. 0 dot point. Closest point. Overlap point. Is this mute? This is not video game music. Overlap point. Check if collider overlaps at point in space. It's closest point, mouse world position, overlap. Oh, no. Closest point. Vector 2 position returns a point on the perimeter of the collider that is the closest to the specified position. Oh, let's just do grabbed object. Object dot transform dot position. Or we could do I could do it's the hit's closest point to it is grabbed object. I just need the transform position of this. Okay. Okay, now create joint. Joint is equal to a distance joint. 2D distance. Fuck it. Go up here. 2D distance joint 2D. Oh shit! All this is gonna be different actually. I'm gonna rely on this. I'm gonna rename this. Whoa! Shit, this is all different. I don't need that. Up to the top. Frequency is different. Attached rigid body. Rename. Okay, let's do a control F. Attached rigid body changes to grabbed object. There you go. Change all of them. Dampening ratio. Distance joint does not contain definition for frequency. We'll just take it out for now. Whoa! There you go. Okay. All right. So it actually might be this. Yeah, it's all this stuff. What the hell? This shouldn't be messing this up. Oh, I see. There you go. I have to destroy the... Okay. What is this music? Sorry, one second. It's good music. I'm not complaining. It's Bastion. Bastion's good stuff. Okay. So this is creating a... It creates a joint at the closest point. I want this actually, the joint to be... Or at the hold position. This is kind of working. It's just not offset properly. It's going straight to the middle of the rigid body. So this is creating the joint at the hold position. The vector 2 latch point. Create joint at the latch point of hold position. Where is hold position set? Well, this is... Okay, so this is one of the problems. So I have a joint set up here, the distance joint. I need to configure the two objects in the joint. So the joint is the game object, added component, distance 2D joint. Connected body is the grabbed object. The anchor, the joint's anchor point on the object that has the joint component. The joint anchor equals transform inverse transform point. Inverse is the transform point from world space to local space. The transform dot position of my game object. Set the anchor, joint anchor to the player's position. Set the connected anchor to the latch point. The latch point this right here. Grabbed object transform dot inverse transform point. What is the latch point? Where is this decided? Where was the latch point? Okay, here. Create joint at the latch point. Create joint hold point position. This is Doom 2016, bro. This can't be like, this has got to be copywritten, right? I'm in trouble for listening to this. Whatever, fuck it. It is what it is. Set the joint anchor to the player's position, and then the joint connected anchor to the latch point. Okay, we've got to look at it. I want it to be where the hit overlaps. Like, where the hit first overlaps. There's so many things here. Let's go into the documentation for a Collider 2D. Collider 2D. Point where collision happened. Get contact. Collision.get contact. Variable contact amount equals collision.contacts. Collision. You can get contact amount and position by of contact by getting collision.get contact of index. How do I get the collision? On collision enter 2D function gets the contact. Collision.contacts point. Hit dot contact get contact zero dot point. Okay. Let's look this up. Collider 2D get contacts. An array of contact points 2D used to receive the result and returns the number of contacts. Retrieves all contact points for this collider. Returns a point on the perimeter of this collider that is the closest to a specified position. Closest point. Okay, fuck it. Closest point to my hold position. Hold point. Dot position. Close that off. Okay. Getting closer, but no dice. Time are we at? 30 minutes? That's not bad. Hold on, I'm just gonna open up Discord real quick. Okay. That's the hold point. So then it goes out here, and I'm trying to understand how it's doing this. So it creates the joint. So Collider 2 hits, overlaps the first hit. Then I go to the first hit and its closest point to the hold position. Excuse me. So those are my two spots. I mean, it's working. It just looks like I'm humping this thing, though. Haha. It started crushing me. I'm trying to get over there to this thing. Let it go! Let me go over there! Fuck off! Fuck off! Can I not climb this thing? I guess it's too high for me. I'm fucking pissing. Yeah, let me over there. Let me over there. I had one over there so bad. Okay. You. Come over here. God. Okay. Let's see if I can make it, can you make the latch point on the outer perimeter of the object to be held? Collider to the overlap. For each collider hit, the way the collision is calculate the closest point to the collider's perimeter. Hit closest point between mouse world position. The not using a mouse to determine the latch point. There is a empty game object that sits in front of the player that determines determines the integer object. Grabbable. Detector's position. This is good music. I'll probably use this from now on. Okay, so this is something annoying that it's doing. Okay, so this is, it's doing a for each. I don't know if I want to do this. Is this fucking Halo? There's no way. There is no way I can listen to this. That's insane. Alright, well, too late now. It's too late now. Okay. Try get component. Rigid body to D. Out. Rigid body to D. RB. Toggle the arm visibility. Let's go ahead and change this. We can take that away. Move script, turn the move script off. Stop the movement of the grabbed object. That's fine. Toggle arm visibility and turn move off. Oh my gosh, I gotta sit up. My back. Okay, and then we create this. The latch point is the hit's closest detector position. In this instance, it's not detector position, it's the grab point position. I mean, I'll try this. I don't think this is gonna help. I don't want the hold point position. I want the grab point position. I want it also... Oh, it is grab range? Is that correct? Maximum distance to grab objects? I wish I could turn this off. Oh! That's all it took? Oh! I see what's happening. Oh, so... It's putting the player there. I want it to be... Ah! I got it. Okay. Okay. Check this out. So... It's I create the joint. This, the joint anchor, is not my transform. It is my... grab point dot transform inverse transform position. I think I can do grab point here. Grab point dot transform position. That is where I'm grabbing. Not quite. Okay, hang on. I save this, right? The anchor is the grab point, and then they'll set the anchor to the latch point. What's this other overload? This is fine. Trying to understand what's going on. Joint does not contain damping ratio or frequency. We'll just make it a little bit stiffer. Sorry, I mean, I'm just, whoo, dampening, max distance, 5. Okay. The grab holding point is still somewhere inside of the. Oh, hang on. Oh, okay. Actually, hang on. I think I understand. So, what I do is I do create joint, hits closest point grab position, but instead I go to my my grabbed object. Shit, sorry. Grabbed object is a rigid body. I do grabbed object. Maximum distance to the latched on object. What is this, dude? What is this music? This is Sonic? Hell yeah. Let's just use my player's dot position, transform dot position, so that it's the same distance every time and the same spot. Let's up the linear or the angular drag of this so that it's like it doesn't rotate as easily, and up the mass by a little bit. I don't know what this is gonna do. I honestly don't know what the dampening and the frequency do. Okay, so so it looks like the player's body is being moved into the point where I want to latch. So I need to allow for a distance. No distance between the player and the latch point. There is a little bit of a distance. Let's do 0.5 F. Too far, obviously. Let's do 0.05. Is this what I've been missing this entire time? Okay, let's lighten this up a little bit. It's currently only draggable. So draggable and climbable. Okay. So this is another one where like I will benefit from changing the gravity, because I don't want to move it unless I'm dragging it. Okay, then we'll keep track of it over here. I need to organize this stuff. Grabbed object, private, int, objects, obj, gravity. So whenever I grab the object, obj gravity is equal to rb dot gravity scale. Sorry. It's not an int. Float. Obj gravity scale. And then when I come back here, release the object. Go back to obj dot gravity. And then my gravity scale here. So set the gravity. Record the gravity, set the gravity. Change the layer state and make the velocity 0 to stop it from moving. This might not, I don't think I want to do this. Now, one other thing I need. Move. I have my movement script. If press down, try to grab object. If grabbed object is blank, do this, release object, and move script dot grounded, ground check, fuck, on move on jump, check ground, if grounded, check ground. Check grounded if you are grounded. Okay. Sorry. Check grounded. So make sure you're grounded and then you can do it. Come back here, go to my movement, seizable, blah blah blah, draggable and climbable. Okay, then we come down here. Looks good, dude. I think we're getting close to like being able to make some of our first levels. I think I hit an hour. Yeah, I hit an hour. Okay, but that is good. Let's turn the gizmos off. I can push a block. That's good. I can put the block. Shit. Turn the gizmos on. Why are you flying away, buddy? Yeah, he's fucking from here. Okay, let's bring the pickup script down to here. Open prefab, that's fine. Player input, definitely gotta go to the bottom. Pickup script, definitely gotta go down here. Here we go. So grab and pick up, mantleable, seizable and climbable, draggable and climbable, pick up and grab, movement. Seizable, climbable, draggable, climbable. There you go. Then we can exit this. Make sure to come over here. All my overrides, apply those. Press play. I should be able to like try to climb this now. Can't climb it, but I can do this. Why does it do that? Okay. It's not perfect, but I am happier with it. Alright, let's close it here. Alright everybody, I appreciate you joining. Let me go ahead and just send this to my repository. I appreciate you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a good evening. I'll be seeing you in the next one very shortly. Alright, have a good one. Bye.